How to fix Snapchat baby filter lag. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this, scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, click data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop, click also OK. Now you have to go and update your Snapchat if it's not updated, and after this restart your phone, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question you can write it down in comments, and see you in another video.